Hi everyone, how are you? I hope everybody's good. I was just about to do a short video clip here on Instagram and on TikTok, but then I realized actually I can change it into a longer lesson because what I want to talk about doesn't fit in a short lesson. So this is going to be, as usual, a Lebanese Arabic lesson. When I say Lebanese, it falls under the same category of the Levantine Dialect spoken in Lebanon, Jordan, Palestine, and Syria. Hi for everyone who joined. If you have just 5-10 minutes, stay here. It's going to be a short lesson, okay? Stay here, go grab a piece of paper and a pencil and take notes. Every time I explain something, always write them down so your brain memorizes the information. So I realized something. I wanted to explain one expression. Then I realized the origin of that expression and the verb we use in it was interesting, a combination between Standard Arabic and the Lebanese Arabic. So I wanted to show that to you. So I want to talk about verb in Standard Arabic pronounced as qabada. Qabada. And qabada is written with a qaf. I'll show it to you in a bit. And in Standard Arabic, it's used to say to hold on tight to something or to grip onto something, يعني to hold it tightly, qabada. Now in the Lebanese dialect, we don't pronounce it qabada. We pronounce it abad. Abad. Let me show you the difference in the pronunciation with the Roman alphabet. So as you can see here, in Standard Arabic, it's written as qabada. Qabada. And I wrote it here with a qaf, qabada. Okay, but when I wrote it again here to show you the Lebanese pronunciation, I still write it the same way as they write it in Standard Arabic, of course, qabada, but I pronounce it abad, abad. And in the present tense, bi'abad, bi'abad. I wrote it like that, bi'abad. So say it out loud with me, abad, bi'abad, abad, bi'abad. Now when we use it in the Lebanese dialect, we're not using it to say to hold on tight or to grip onto something. I don't know if the verb is correct to say to grip onto something in English. We use it to say to earn your salary. For example, I can say أبدت معاشي اليوم. أبدت معاشي اليوم. So the literal meaning is I gripped my salary today, or I grabbed my salary today, or I held on to my salary today. But we don't mean it in that sense. We mean it to say I got my salary today. أبدت معاشي اليوم. And معاش means salary. معاشي means my salary. I'll show you the sentences in a bit. So say out loud with me. أبدت معاشي اليوم. So that's the difference between qabada in Standard Arabic, to grip, and the Lebanese dialect. As a verb, we use it to say I got it or I earned my salary. أبدت معاش اليوم. No, I always say in the Lebanese dialect, we don't pronounce the qaf. But in fact, not all Lebanese don't pronounce the qaf. If you go to the community of the Druze, mostly located in the mountains, you will see that they still pronounce the qaf. So most probably a Derzi person is not going to say أبدت معاش اليوم. They're going to say قبضت معاش اليوم. I don't know if this is correct. We have to ask one of my Druze friends here. Okay, so they would still pronounce the qaf. So the difference, as I said, in Standard Arabic, we use it to mean grip, qabada, qabada. And in the Lebanese dialect, we use it to say I got it. Like it literally means I gripped my salary, but it means I got my salary today. Now the noun of it in Standard Arabic is qabda. It has a te marbuta. Let me show it to you. So in Standard Arabic, qabda is the noun and it means a grip. Qabda. I wrote it here with a qabda. But again, the same thing in the Lebanese dialect. If I use the word qabda, but I will not pronounce it qabda, I will say abda, and it means something like a payment. Abda. Okay, so for example, I can say عندي أبدأ اليوم. The literal meaning is I have a grip. I have a grip today. But it doesn't mean I have a grip today. It means I have a payment. Okay, can you hear me now? Because I got interrupted because of a call. So, what was I saying? عندي أبدأ. يلا, say with me out loud. عندي أبدأ اليوم. I have a grip today, which means I have a payment to be received today. عندي قبضة اليوم. Now, if you want to say, for example, I get my salary at the beginning of every month, you can say بقبض. In that case, we have to use the present tense, okay? So you say in that case, let me turn my camera. بقبض, I earn. بقبض معاشي, I earn my salary. بقبض معاشي أول الشهر, at the beginning of the month. أول الشهر. بقبض معاشي أول الشهر. And look how in the Roman alphabet we write it. بقبض معاشي أول الشهر. Again, say out loud with me. بقبض معاشي أول الشهر. So بقبض means I hold on to or I grip. معاشي يعني my salary, but together I don't mean to say I grip onto my salary. Maybe you do if you don't spend it at all, but it means I earn my salary. بقبض معاشي, I get my salary أول الشهر, at the beginning of the month. Now, قبض in standard Arabic, as I said, we pronounce it as a qaf. If we use it with على, قبض على, it doesn't mean gripping anymore. قبض على, pronounced like that, it means he arrested, or verb to arrest. And in the Lebanese dialect we also use it as well, but we say قبض على, قبض على. For example, if I want to say they arrested him, I say قبضوا عليه, قبضوا عليه. So you're literally saying they gripped onto him, they gripped on him, عليه. That's why it means they arrested him. قبضوا عليه, قبضوا عليه. And if it's a girl, you say قبضوا عليها, قبضوا عليها يعني they arrested her. قبضوا عليه, they arrested him. I hope you're saying out loud. قبضوا عليها, they arrested her. Now, here is why this whole idea came to me, because I wanted to explain the expression أبضت جد. Let me try to zoom in. أبضت جد. So أبضت, as I said, I gripped. Okay, أبضت, I gripped. أبضت جد, the here means I literally gripped her. جد, serious, which means I gripped it serious. That's the literal meaning, أبضت جد. But we don't mean to say it in the sense that I gripped anything in this case. We only use it to say I took something seriously. Say it with me out loud. أبضت جد. So the verb is أبضت plus the a, but we're not going to pronouncing أبضت, أبضت. No, we kind of merge the da and the ta, and we say أبضت جد. I took it seriously. أبضت جد. It's always it. That's why we use it as أبضت. Okay? But if I want to tell someone, for example, don't take it seriously. Don't take it seriously. Say it out loud with me. I'll show it to you in a second. We say ما تقبض. Don't grip it, as I said. ما تقبض جد. ما تقبض جد. Don't grip it serious, which means don't take it seriously. ما تقبض جد. If I'm saying it to a guy, if I say it to a girl, I'll show you the difference. So, if I'm saying it to a guy, I say ما تقبض جد. So the a is always a. It doesn't depend if I'm saying it to a guy or a girl, because the a here means it. Don't take it seriously. And تقبض is the verb if I'm saying it to a guy. ما تقبض. ما تقبض جد. Don't take it seriously. ما تقبض جد. ما تقبض جد. Don't take it seriously. Now, if I want to say it to a girl, I have to say ما تقبضي جد. Say it out loud with me. ما تقبضي جد. So تقبضي is you grip, feminine, and تقبضية, you grip it, you hold on to it, literally in standard Arabic. But in the Lebanese dialect it doesn't mean that at all. It means don't take it in this context. ما تقبضي جد. Don't take it seriously. We write it like this. ما تقبضي جد. ما تقبضيها جد. So if I'm saying don't take it seriously, what if I want to say don't take a person seriously, don't take him seriously? In that case, no, I have to change the E in the end. I cannot say, if it's a guy, I cannot say ما تقبضيها جد. I have to say ما تقبضي with the long E sound here with the silent ha. ما تقبضي جد. Don't take him seriously. So here, the E in the end shows you that it's a guy that I shouldn't take seriously. ما تقبضي جد. ما تقبضي جد. If I'm saying to a girl, don't take him seriously. Okay? ما تقبضي جد. Now, if I'm gonna say to a girl, don't take her seriously, I say ما تقبضيها جد. ما تقبضيها جد. Say with me again. So ما تقبضي جد. If I'm saying to a girl not to take him seriously, ما تقبضي جد. And ما تقبضيها جد, I'm saying to a girl not to take another girl seriously. ما تقبضيها جد. Actually, there is one thing that I didn't write, I should have added here. If I want to say don't take him seriously to a guy, I say ما تقبضوا جد. Let me remove the ye here. Look, I'm going to remove the ye and it becomes ما تقبضوا. So here I'm saying to a guy not to take another guy seriously. ما تقبضوا جد. ما تقبضوا جد. If I want to say to a guy not to take her seriously, I say out loud with me, guys. ما تقبضها جد. Hi Sergey. ما تقبضها جد. Don't take her seriously. I'm talking to a guy. So ما تقبضوا جد. Don't take him seriously. I'm talking to a guy and saying don't take him seriously. ما تقبضها جد. I'm talking to a guy and I'm saying don't take her seriously. In that case, we would say ما تقبضوا. I would write it like this. ما تقبضوا or ما تقبضها. ما تقبضها جد. Okay, this was a very quick lesson I wanted to do today before we go. You always have the option of watching it later on. I will put it in my Instagram, and I did it fast. You always have the option to pausing, reviewing if there is anything you didn't understand. Okay, yalla. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.